so blue. So we're gonna walk around the lake. Eibsee is very popular and definitely one of the most worth visiting lakes in Bavaria. Eibsee is a perfect day trip if you're from Munich, Stuttgart, or any other cities around, and it is also near Zugspitze, the highest peak in Germany. Small lake, freelance sea. So let's get to the other side where there's no people. Look at the reflections in the water.
Da gibt es schon Weihnachtsbäume.
Christmas trees. Let's find a better Instagram spot. Oh. Instagram photo. Eibsee has 8 islands and it was formed due to a huge landslide from the northern flank of the Zugspitze long time ago. There are also smaller lakes that are also really beautiful looking that you can see during the hike. For those of you who are not really a huge fan of walking and hiking, you can actually enjoy and explore the lake by renting a boat. Is it possible to swim in Eibsee? Yes, definitely. During summertime, I would say, because it's already autumn, the water is really cold, but you can still try if you want, but I'd rather not to. As you can see, the watercolor is really nice, just like the Caribbean, those turquoise, green, and it's really clear. So that was Eibsee. Did you like it?
Yeah.
It looks like Caribbean, right? Just the water. And I love the mountain view as well. We're heading back to our car. We need to go to our hotel and check in and also grab some bites because I'm hungry. I'm super gutom. I need to eat something. What do we have here? I think I have something here. Roller coaster. Come.
Let's see you. Sarap.
Just actually killing the time because we're only waiting for our dinner time in about 30 minutes. So we're just thinking to roam around and check the area. Hi besties! Hungry?
Tae.
Just decided to roam around the area, look for some beautiful nature spot, and we are here at, oh god, I forgot the name of the lake. It looks like it's a camping place here. Lots of campers. That's actually our dream when we get old. Gonna buy a camper and just go everywhere we want. Libang und Dustes. Tukans in the Wald.
Lake vibes.
Yeah, lake vibes. And it's still so calm and peaceful. Such a nice breakfast view. They are like setting up their breakfast with this view. I'm jealous right now.
Schläft noch.
Du kannst auch hier baden im Sommer. Guck mal.
Ja.
The water is just so clean. And kalt?
Meine Hände sind kalt, das Wasser ist nicht so kalt.
If you're gonna go here, maybe middle of November, it would be so cool as well when all the colors are like red, orange, because it's still early autumn. So yeah, but it's still so beautiful though. Oh, I love it here. Guck mal. So you can rent a boat here, boat ride.